If these species come back, if the forest comes back, then all the animals and other plants that are associated to the forest will also return. The goal of Reef Forest Project is to restore the shallow reefs of the island, which have been degraded from various reasons during the last decades, and we intend to bring back the reefs in their healthy status, which is having Schistosera forest thriving again, which will in turn attract and help enhance all marine life.
Schistoseras are directly affected by climate change. We have noticed that because the winters are warmer and the summers are even warmer at some points, the reproductive cycle of Schistosera species is affected, which means that some years they may not release spores, so they do not reproduce. We are really proud that most of the clay tiles with Schistosera germlings that we placed last year are still in Yaros, and they are growing. They are actually like 4 to 5 centimeters long now.
Where Schistoseras thrive, many other species can thrive as well. They give shelter, they give food, they give shadow to other species. So where you have Schistosera forests, you have the best diversity that you can have in the reef environments of the Mediterranean.